Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Medela Quick Clean Breast Pump and Accessory Wipes, 24-count resealable pack, convenient and hygienic on-the-go cleaning for tables, countertops, chairs, and more. If you are like me, it seems to take forever between setting up to pump, actually pumping, and then cleaning afterwards. They are a little pricey for the purpose, and each pack come with 24 wipes, which lasts about 2 weeks for me. These work great when you're on the run and need to quickly wipe down pump parts. They are pricey, but they work very well and make me feel better about not cleaning pump parts when at work or away from home. These wipes are a real time saver when pumping at work, and if you don't have access to a wash area without traipsing through the halls, pump parts in hand. Can't speak on it, but it was what Preggers wanted, and it's what she got for her baby shower. These wipes are great for when you don't have access to a sink to clean your parts. The wipes are okay when you're on the go, but only really clean the flanges. They work great, leave no residue or smell, and the pump parts appear to be very clean afterwards. They are very nice if you need to clean baby bottle pumping stuff quickly and don't have access to running water. Love these wipes. They make it easy to clean pump products and bottles on the go. Great for a quick clean when pumping at work, and there is no real option to sterilize. They make it incredibly easy to clean and sanitize your pump parts when you are in the car or don't want to wash your parts in the shared office sink. There is a bit of bubbly residue left over, but so minor that it is of no concern. You can't get to the inner part of the shield without running water through it, but there isn't anything you can do about that. The size of the package fits perfectly into the inner pocket of the Medela Metro bag, so it is super easy to always have a pack in there. The only negative thing is that they're a little pricey for the amount that you get. Makes it easy to pump multiple times per day, and on the go without having to wash with soap and water every time. This product is great for those who have to pump at work office multiple times a day, and cannot clean with soap and water every time. These are so great for middle of the night pump cleaning, and on the go. There's not that many in a pack though, but other than that they are great. Be leery before you order these, as mine came not very damp, but almost dried out. No running water available at the camp, and of course not in the truck when out hunting. Peace of mind that they won't dry up in individual packages, and you only need one for a clean and sanitary session. Love these wipes. They save me tons of cleaning time while pumping at work. Would recommend to anyone on a plane or road trip who can't wash parts all the time. Easy for cleaning pump at the end of the day without worrying about harsh chemicals ruining the machine. Perfect for when you need to pump and don't have access to a sink, clean water, or decent soap. These wipes are an on-the-go lifesaver to clean pump parts, bottles, pacifiers, etc. If you pump, you need these. Great for if you have to pump in the car, or maybe in an office. The wipes are sturdy and can easily be twisted and pulled through small openings in all sorts of shaped parts. If you don't have access to water to clean your parts, these are such a great option. These are so convenient for cleaning your breast pump at work or on the road. These work great to clean tables and high chairs when baby is in the eat of the table stage, or if you are worried about germs. They are gross. This made me feel much better to have baby eat off those surfaces. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.